How's it going, guys? My name's Dakota Roche, and this is my new bike I just put together yesterday. This right here is my signature frame. It's called the DAC. You know, kind of my nickname, I guess. The tubing on it is smaller, but it's thicker, so it's more dent resistant. So, you know, dropping on a ledge or something, it's not going to dent as easy. It's got smaller chain stays and seat stays, dropouts, fits perfect with the peg and all that, built-in seat clamp, top and bottom gussets, removable brake mounts. It's pretty official. I'm just kidding. Got mostly fit parts on my bike. Got the blade light forks on there, down low stem, high bars, my signature grips on there. Just started cutting off the flanges actually for bar spins, I guess. I don't know, make them a little easier. 28-tooth sprocket, fit down low with 9-tooth driver. A little bit harder to pedal, makes you so you can go a little faster though. So did that gear ratio. Got the Eddie Cleveland Chase D-Hart seat, fit seat post, built-in seat post clamp. Got the new fit tires, size 2.3, a little bit bigger, more traction, you know, more air in the tire, I guess. G-Sport wheels, obviously pedals and cranks. Don't know what kind of pegs I have. I've had them for a couple years, so I think they might be Animal. I think Mike Brennan gave them to me a long time ago. I can't remember though. Overall, it weighs like 22 pounds. Nothing on its tie, so I mean that's pretty light. So feels good. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. Hope you enjoyed. Have fun.